A lot of Nigerians think you need millions of subscribers to make money on YouTube, or you have to be a celebrity before you start making money on YouTube. But this is 2026 and a lot has changed. Right now, ordinary people are building 7-figure businesses on YouTube right from their bedroom using simple 3 systems that we are going to discuss in this video. And number 3 is my most favorite. Hi, my name is Adeze Jovita, and over here we discuss smart digital businesses that you as a student, a stay-at-home, or someone scrolling on YouTube can start today right from your home. And today we'll be discussing about how you can make money on YouTube as a Nigerian without waiting for AdSense or 4,000-hour watch views. First is Faceless YouTube channel. This is the ultimate low pressure way to start. You can create faceless YouTube channels, motivational channels, AI voiced over channels, and use tools like Canva for your visuals and CapCut for your editing. So you see, you can do it as a stay-at-home mom or anybody in Nigeria. The second part is selling digital products. This is where you stop waiting for YouTube AdSense, 4,000 watch times, and start identifying a problem that your audience has. Once you can be able to identify that problem, you build a digital product solving that problem. Is it productivity, learning a skill? You can create a simple PDF guide, a checklist, or mini courses that target that problem and help your audience solve that problem. And this is why it works. You create a product once and you sell it over and over again. There are people that I know that created products in 2020 and they're still selling that same product today. And the third, my favorite, affiliate marketing. You have heard me talk about this countless times on this channel, where you have to sell other people's products and make commission. You don't need your own products. What you need is to help people solve a problem through your content, share value, help someone in need get to the solution they want. You make money when someone clicks on your unique link, purchase the product from you. These 3 simple ways are how Nigerians, celebrities, are making money without showing your face. And you as someone, a beginner, can start that. If you want to get started, check the link in my description to get started. Feel free to ask your questions in the comment section. I'll be here to help you answer that. Bye, and see you on my next video.